Okay, ladies, so another thing that we guys are having issues with is simply this, right? Because y'all don't want to listen to God.
In a quarter mile,
in the
turn
Bible,
right
God
onto
says,
Maryland 193 West
respect and
Greenbelt
obey your
Road.
husbands. And we know that, in 2023, that shit just ain't happening, right? As much as I would hope that it does, but it ain't. So, let's get real pragmatic about this whole situation, right? And I want you guys to, and I'm actually asking you guys humbly, because I actually want to know, right? Cool. You don't want to take, listen to God, right? Fine. Got no problem with that, right? But now, here's the question I have for you guys. How much does your submission cost? How much? Right? When God says obey your husband, that simply means
Take the next right onto
when he tells
Maryland
you to do
193
something,
West
you
Greenbelt
do it,
Road.
right? Traditional women, they get this point, right? They just do it, without even hesitating, right? Right? It's not, they
Continue on
understand
Maryland
that this is not
193
something
West
that a
for
good
3
man is going to
miles.
try to lord over you, right? But I just actually want to know, how much does your submission cost? Right? And by submission, it just simply means that whatever he says goes, right? And that you're going to trust that his judgment is right, whether it turns out to be right or wrong, right? We need to know, how much does your submission cost? Because from looks of it, it looks like submission to a man in the United States costs at least minimum $250,000 to $300,000.